Hello everyone, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In this lecture, we are going to study about one of the important problem from group theory. This problem has been repeated so many times in examination. Okay, so now let's see the problem first of all. Let capital S be the set of all real numbers except to -1. Then define star on capital S by as A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. Then by using this condition, we have to prove that the pair S comma star is an abelian group. Okay, so we can start the answer here. Answer. So first of all, we are going to write that given data. Okay, so given that S is the set of all real numbers except to -1. S is the set of all real numbers except to -1. You know very well, capital R is equal to, capital R is commonly denoted as real numbers. Capital R is equal to minus infinity up to so on, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 up to so on, plus infinity. This is the set of real numbers. Now in this problem, what he is asking? Set of real numbers except to -1. Except to -1 means, so we are writing that set as capital S. Okay, so set of real numbers, from the set of real numbers, okay, we are removing -1. Therefore capital S is equal to, simply you can write minus infinity up to so on -2, 0, 1, 2 up to so on infinity. This set is called set of real numbers except to -1. And this set, the binary operation star. Okay, the binary operation is star. It is a composition. Why? Because this binary operation defined as A star B is equal to A plus B plus A into B. Okay, if you observe carefully, this binary operation defined with respect to multiplication, with respect to addition. Okay, A plus B plus A into B. Multiplication is there, addition is also there. Now by using this property, we have to prove that the pair, okay, S comma star is an abelian group. Okay, so S comma star is an abelian group. This is our claim. You can also write it as a claim. Okay, S comma star is an abelian group. In this purpose, so first of all, I am writing the group condition. The first condition is closure property. Okay, closure law, closure property, whatever it may be, you can take. So first of all, I am writing the general formula. Let small a comma b belongs to capital S. Here in place of capital G, we have capital S. A comma b belongs to capital S. Then, okay, their multiplication A into B also belongs to S. Here multiplication is nothing but binary operation. A star B is also belongs to S. This is the condition. Now I am writing what is that A star B? A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. This condition. This condition is also belongs to capital S. How you can say? Now I am explaining with example. Okay. Just take any two numbers from the set of real numbers except to -1. So now I am taking in place of A -2, in place of B 1. Why? Because where A comma B not is equal to -1. Okay, except to -1 you can take any number from the set of real numbers. So therefore now according to this A comma B belongs to S only. Now A star B is equal to -2 star 1 is equal to, what is the condition? A plus B plus AB. A is nothing but -2, B is nothing but +1 into -2 into 1. Okay, is equal to -2 plus 1 -2. You will get -3. This -3 also belongs to capital S only. Na? -3 is the one of the element of capital Yes. Okay. So first of all, we took A is equal to -2, B is equal to 1, and their binary operation value A star B is equal to -3. That -3 also part of the set of the real number except to -1. So in this format, we can get the clarity from the given property. So therefore, clearly we can say that, okay, A comma B belongs to S, then their operation A star B also belongs to capital S. So therefore, we can say that S is closer. S is closer. Next, second condition, second property, associative property. Associative property. Okay. So now in this associative property, we have to take three elements. Okay. I am writing the general formula. Let A comma B comma C belongs to capital S. Then, okay. So A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Okay. So this is the general formula. Now I am taking LHS. Okay. So I am taking LHS. We are going to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first of all, I am taking LHS A star B star C is equal to. Now substitute the value, given value. What is the A star B? A plus B plus AB. Okay. And remaining next value is star is as it is and C is as it is. I am just writing the A star B value here. Okay. A star B star C. A star B value A plus B plus AB star C. Now again this RHS value. Okay. So again this RHS value again is in the form of given condition only. Na? Just imagine this value as A and this C as B. Okay. Again that value converted into A star B. Na? Okay. So now I am writing again as A star B value. So therefore here you can write that value as A star B. So that means A plus. This is the only A value. Plus in place of B we have C plus A into B. What is the A value? A plus B plus AB. This is the A value. And what is the B value? C. Okay. So I am writing, I am just replacing the values in place of A and in place of B. What is the A value? A value is A plus B plus AB and B value is C. Those values only I am replacing. So if you simplify this value, A plus B plus AB plus C plus AC plus BC plus ABC. Okay, if you write in order wise, you will get A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus AC plus ABC. This is the LHS value. Okay, A star B star C. Now I am taking that RHS value. Okay, so what is that RHS value? A star B. A star B star C. So now you can substitute the values. Okay. So A star I am writing as it is. Here you have B star C. Okay. In place of B star C you can write B plus C plus B into C. We are just changing the variables only. So that is equal to, again this value converted into the original property. Okay. So this A you can take it as a and this total value you can take it as a B. Again it converted into A star B. So therefore again we are writing in place of A only A plus in place of B we have B plus C plus BC. A plus B plus A into B. What is the A value? A only, B value B plus C plus BC. Okay. So now simplify this value, A plus B plus C plus BC plus AB plus AC plus ABC. Okay. So now you can write in order wise A plus B plus C plus, first of all I am writing AB plus BC plus CA plus ABC. If you check LHS and RHS, both values are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore the group S comma star is associative. Associative. This property you can also cross check by using the numbers from the set of real numbers except to -1. Similarly, we have the third condition, that is identity. Identity. So identity is nothing but letter. I am taking that small a belongs to capital S. Okay. Then A star E is equal to small a is equal to E star A. This is the original condition. A star E is equal to small a is equal to E star A. Now I am taking this LHS part. Okay, so that is A star E is equal to small a. Again, if you observe here, A star E is in the format of A star B. Okay, so write the formula. A plus, in place of B we have small e, plus A into E is equal to A. On both sides, if you cancel a, so therefore you will get E plus A into E is equal to 0. Then if you take E common, 1 plus A is equal to 0. Okay, E plus E into 1 plus A is equal to 0. Here we have two cases, case 1, okay, and case 2. Case 1 and case 2. So what is the case 1? If you take E is equal to 0, okay, then 1 plus A not is equal to 0. Okay, so if you take E is equal to 0, then 1 plus A not equal to 0. If you take E not is equal to 0, then 1 plus A is equal to 0. So from this condition, if you take 1 plus A not is equal to 0, then A not is equal to minus 1. But here if you take 1 plus A is equal to 0, A is equal to minus 1. Okay, A not is equal to minus 1 is the our required condition, and A is equal to minus 1 is the our contradiction condition. Why? Because in the statement of the problem they clearly mention that except to minus 1, if you take any element from the set of B, okay, that value should not equal to the minus 1. Here A belongs to S, we clearly taken from the identity property A belongs to S. If you get A is equal to minus 1, then what is meaning? It is a contradiction value. So this case 2 is no need. Okay, we can consider only case 1 only. So therefore E is equal to 0 is the identity value. Is the identity value. Is the identity value. So now take the RHS. What is the RHS? E star A is equal to small a. Again this RHS is in the form of given condition. E plus A plus E into A is equal to small a. Substitute E is equal to 0. 0 plus A plus 0 into A is equal to A. Okay, so therefore A is equal to A. We got the identity condition. Whenever you substitute E is equal to 0, then you will get the given value only. So therefore E is equal to 0 is the identity value that is confirmed by the RHS. So therefore E equal to 0 is the identity value. Next, the fourth condition is inverse. Inverse. Okay. So let small a belongs to S. Okay. There exists small e also belongs to S. Then A star A inverse is equal to small e is equal to A inverse star A. This is the original inverse condition. Okay. Now I am taking LHS. LHS is equal to A star A inverse is equal to small e. In this LHS also we have the given condition only A star A inverse. Substitute the given condition. In place of A we have A, in place of B A inverse plus A into A inverse is equal to, what is the small e value? 0. From the third identity condition we can write directly A is equal to 0. So therefore now A plus, take A inverse common from the last two terms. Okay, from these two terms you can take A inverse common, then you will get 1 plus A is equal to 0. So therefore A inverse into 1 plus A is equal to minus A. Then A inverse is equal to minus A by 1 plus A, where A naught is equal to minus 1, where A naught is equal to minus 1. So therefore A inverse is equal to minus A by 1 plus A is the inverse element for A in capital S. Now take the RHS of this fourth condition. What is the RHS? A inverse star A is equal to small e. Now in this fourth RHS condition you have to substitute the inverse value to get the identity value. So therefore what is substitute the values. In place of A we have A inverse, plus in place of B we have A, and in place of A into B we have, okay, so E. So therefore what is the A inverse value? Minus A by 1 plus A plus a plus what is the a inverse value? Minus a by 1 plus a into a is equal to small e. So take minus a by 1 plus a common, then minus a by 1 plus a into, okay, 1 plus a is equal to small e. This 1 plus a, this 1 plus a will get cancelled. Minus a plus a is equal to small e. Okay, plus a minus a will get cancelled. Then 0 is equal to small e. Therefore, e is equal to 0 is the identity element. Whenever you substitute the inverse element in the property, you have e is equal to 0 is the identity element. Whenever you substitute the identity element in the property, you will get a inverse is equal to minus a by 1 plus a is the element. Okay. So therefore, from this condition, we can clearly say that S comma star is a group. S comma star is a group. Why? Because it satisfies the closure condition, associative condition, identity condition, and inverse condition. And we have E is equal to 0 is the identity element, and A inverse is equal to minus A by 1 plus A is the inverse element. Now in this problem, what he is asking? Show that this S comma star is an abelian. So in that purpose only, the fifth condition is commutative property. Commutative along with four conditions of group. So we have to prove commutative property to prove that the given condition is an abelian group. Now what is the commutative condition? Let a comma b belongs to S, then okay, a star b is equal to b star a. A star b is equal to b star a. This is the condition. Now I am taking LHS. Okay, so what take the LHS value a star b. According to the given condition, what is the a star b value? A plus b plus ab. Now this value I am writing in the given format. So b plus a plus b into a. Why? Because that is no problem. Okay, if you write in this format. So b plus a plus b into a, again you can write b star a. Why? Because if you start with a, then you can write a plus b plus ab. If you start with b, then you can write b star a. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore from clearly we can say that so S comma star is commutative. S comma star is commutative. So therefore clearly we can say that the group S comma star is abelian group. Is an abelian group. In this format, in the examination, whatever the question if you get, you have to solve in this process only. Okay, first of all, observe the question, what he gave and what he is asking. Okay, so thank you.